Hi everyone! Welcome po sa channel namin, My Lulila. Kung bago lang po kayo dito at nagustuhan niyo yung mga contents ng channel namin, don't forget to click the subscribe button or hit the notification bell. Today, ililipat ko po yung tomato seedlings ko dito sa Coke bottles na recycled. What I did is I cut the Coke bottles. Since wala siyang takip, so mahuhulog yung lupa. Nilagyan ko po ng stones bago ko nilagyan ng lupa para hindi siya mahulog. Actually, this is a very nice way because pwede mo siyang lagyan ng tubig sa ilalim. So it's self-watering. Right now, I'm trying to separate the seedlings. Just make sure not to damage the roots. But tomato plants are not so sensitive, so it's alright. Medyo nahirapan ako dito ng konti kasi nga I'm only using one hand and the other one is holding the camera, but madali lang po talagang gawin to. So, ilagay mo lang siya sa center and then add more soil. Secure it by pushing it. And that. Dali lang talaga siyang gawin. And I'll do the rest of gum. So, ito na po. Natapos ko na pong i-repot yung tomato seedlings ko. You can choose whether to water the plants or you put water under the container. Diba may container siya underneath. So, pwede mo siya lagyan ng tubig para magiging self-watering siya for few days na hindi mo siya kailangang diligan. So, I hope this is helpful to you guys. Kung yung sa mga hilig magtanim. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you will subscribe to our channel. Till next time guys. Bye!